There's been a lot of fears lately about the YouTube new monetized rules. Some creators think AI generated videos are getting banned, but that's not the full story. So in this video, I'm going to prove to you that YouTube is not against AI generated content. In fact, YouTube just released 3 brand new AI tools to help with shorts. Stay tuned because this update is going to change how you create content forever. So guys, welcome back to my channel. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please do well to subscribe. So you want to stick to the end of the video because I included some tips to help you stay monetized. A few weeks ago, YouTube released an update that says they will only pay for original and authentic content. This caused a lot of panics, especially among faceless channels and AI generated content creators. So many people thought their channels were about to be demonetized. But here is the truth: YouTube is not banning AI content. They're just targeting low effort videos and repetitive content that provide no value. So YouTube just released a new blog post that says unlock next level shots with new creation tools. So I'm going to be breaking them one after the other. Mind you, this tool is not available for all countries. Some countries have started using it already, like those in Canada, those in New Zealand, Australia. They've started using it already. So before the end of the year, YouTube will make it available for all countries. So the first tool is image to video tool. So this tool basically allows you to turn an image from your gallery to a video. So with this tool, you can turn any image to a video. In fact, these features are really fantastic. Now anybody can make money on YouTube. For this second one, this effect, YouTube, there's new effects now to make your shorts stand out. You now have so many effects to play around to make your video come to life. The third one is AI playground. With this tool, just visualize any image, just any image you can think of, just visualize it and AI will turn it to a video. You can even compose music using this AI playground. These tools prove that YouTube supports creators who use AI responsibly and creatively. So guys, I'm going to give you a tip on how to use AI and stay monetized in 2025 and beyond. So if you are using AI to create videos, add your voice and commentary, because AI videos need human effort to make it stand out. Don't just let the bot do all the talking. Be original. Mix your creativity with AI to create something useful and unique. So the third one, follow YouTube guidelines. So no, YouTube is not banning AI generated content. They're just encouraging creators to use it responsibly. And with the new short tool, it is clear YouTube sees future with AI generated content. As long as it is authentic, you don't have any issue. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel and share this video. I will see you in my next one.